worry, guys. I'll be locating Lost Tomb in no time. Quicker than you can say, Tutankhamun.
Jimmy, I've been saying Toot Van Halen for 3 hours. Can I stop now?
Is everybody all right?
Jimmy, I got sand in a very uncomfortable place. Oh, no, I'm not going in there. There's no steps, there's no handrail, there's no souvenir shop. I'm staying out here.
Okay, Carl.
Wait for me! Okay, are things gonna, like, jump out at us and scare us? Hey, Jimmy, somebody wrote on the walls. They're gonna get in trouble. Okay, I don't like it in here. Snakes! Okay, nice snakes, pretty snakes. Go away, please. You don't want to bite me with your long, sharp fangs and inject poison into my bloodstream. Well, guys, this was fun. Okay, let's all leave in a quiet and orderly fashion before we see something really scary, like... Mummies! They're coming this way.
Everybody stay quiet!
Yeah, for once and probably the only time in my life, I'm a winner. See how new it is?
According to my calculations, we'll continue to age until we turn to dust at 6:03 this evening.
But I'm allergic to dust.
Carl, what are you eating?
Just some prune whip from your lab.
Carl, there wasn't any prune whip. That's my experimental truth-telling serum.
Oh, Jimmy, that's ridiculous. I stole Jimmy's toast the other day. Sometimes I dream about girls.
Maybe we better go.
I don't think Ultralord exists.
La 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 la, I don't want to hear it!
My mom's really 42. I just ripped...
What about you, Carl? The Hunchback of Notre Dame?
Too hunchy.
The Blob?
Too blobby.
The Phantom of the Opera?
Too opera-y.
Frankenstein?
Frankenstein.
I am Dracula! How's my cape look?
Carl, I want to talk to you about my deep concern for llamas. Did you know they're an endangered species?
No!
My first order of business will be llama protection. Do I have your vote?
You got it! Oh, the pin went inside me. You accidentally left $1 in my hand.
Keep it.
Why?
I think you know why.
I don't. Why are you winking at me? Why did you give me $1? My brain hurts! Slap, slap, slap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. What?
Hey, why are you wearing Libby and Sheen and Bowlby buttons? Who are you voting for?
I don't know! The money and the picture and the slap, slap, slap. Oh, stop the world! I want to get off! Ah! Confetti in my eyes! 34, 35, 36. Wait a minute! Someone didn't vote! That person needs to vote to decide the election. Who didn't vote? Why is everyone looking at me? I couldn't decide, okay? Too much pressure! But Jimmy, girls aren't so bad. I mean, they have good communication skills and they almost never beat you up after school. Can I check my email? I want to make sure my cheese of the month is on its way.
Sure, Carl. The computer's over there. Hey, Sheen, help me lock down this sprocket inverter.
This month's cheese is Gouda Feta.
Be right back, Carl.
Sure thing, Jim.
I can't be in a class with a bunch of babies who wet their pants and cry for their mommies.
Well, Sheen, technically, they'd be the same age we are now, and we don't wet our pants and cry for...
What?
Sheen, I won't allow Miss Val to leave you back.
No way! We're the three amigops!
The three amigops?
Yeah, well, you see, I was making us name tags, and I accidentally added a P to amigos.
Miss Val, will you not let me not leave the classroom?
No! Yes.
Thank you.
Oh! Jimmy and she need me. I can't let them down. Miss Fowl, can I never, ever not be disexcused sometimes? Plant it! Okay.
I don't like lightning. It makes my hair stand up funny. This is the end. My entire life's flashing before my eyes. Goodbye, world! Sorry, ladies. I'm gonna have to search you.
She's clean.
You've all been chosen for this operation because you each possess a unique skill.
Really? What's my skill, Jimmy? It's personal hygiene, isn't it? I want to help save the free world, too. Please let me help, Jimmy. Please, 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 please.
Okay, Carl. Carl, okay. You can help by providing nourishing snacks for quick energy.
Yay! Who likes fruit chewies? Stop! Nobody move!
Good call, Carl. But how did you know this hall was rigged with pressure sensors?
I didn't. I just thought we could use a snack.
Louder!
Carl Wheezer, you cannot be in the play if we can't hear you. It's not my fault!
I didn't even want to do this! My mom forced me! She said it would be good for my self-esteem!
Ladies and gentlemen, we found our first witch.
Hey, Jimmy, there's a question I've always wanted to ask you. How come whenever we're in outer space, we don't gotta wear helmets?
Good question, Sheen. And the answer is quite interesting. You see...
Moon, 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 spoon, 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 June, 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 spittoon, spittoon, spittoon!
Huh, really?
Mm-hmm.
And how come we don't need oxygen tanks and stuff?
Well...
Star, 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 you're so far, 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 can't go by car, car, car!
Fascinating. So, Jimmy, how come it takes astronauts days to go to and from the moon, but it only takes us a few minutes?
That's another good question. You see, it all has to do with...
Goodbye, moon! I'll see you next June! Cause I'm looking for a spoon and...
Carl! Enough with the song!
I hope my travel sickness pill starts to work soon.
You boys sleep tight now.
But it's only 7:30.
Now, Jimmy, early to bed, early to rise makes a man less prone to bronchial infection. Night, kids.
Hey, Jimmy, let's stay up all night and tell scary stories, and then we can share our most personal thoughts and not even go to sleep until... Hi, Nissa. Go on in. Brown shoes with a black belt? I think not. Try the diner down the block.
Are you guys all right?
Just limbering up the old GI tract, Jimbo. It keeps your digestion loose and gas-free.
Come on, Jimmy. Your intestines aren't gonna unclench themselves, you know.
Well, if you insist. Mind if I add some salt?
Oh,
Jimmy,
more!
no!
Sweet
That
heavens!
much airborne salt will set off our...
Oh, sorry, Jimmy.
More, please! Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen mashing potatoes? Well, those days are over thanks to Carl's Mash-O-Matic. Just place the spud in the hole, shake up the flurp, and let science do the rest.
Huh? We're Paul.
Got a blast.
Swimmy, 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 little swimmy, little swimmy.